You don't have to be a high-level programmer, you don't have to have a robotics degree to get these robots up and running.
One of the big barriers that people associate with automation is it's costly.
People think they're more complicated than they actually are.
I've always thought as being extremely difficult to program.
A lot of them seem to be working years behind automation.
What's happened with automation technology in the last few years is that it's become much more user-friendly, much more easy to install.
The cost of these robots definitely has come down as the technology's increased, so you've got a far more complex bit of kit.
It's definitely not a threat to jobs. If anything, it's creating more jobs.
Companies expand, make better profits, can afford to employ more people.
The automation allows humans to work right alongside the robot itself and help in some tasks that previously would have been either very taxing or potentially very mundane.
Freeing up the other members of staff to actually go and do jobs which are far more interesting.
Initially, I think everybody's a bit resistant to change, but as they actually see the technology and the benefits to their job, most people adapt pretty quickly.
They see these robots running up and down, doing their work for them, doing all the legwork. I mean, at first they're scared, but then they see it and they're amazed by it. They love it.
We've had individuals naming the robots.
They put their own music on there.
And instead of hating them, they actually start to offer good ideas to where the new robots can be installed. We tended to find that robots are coming to their own and they're actually able to do the tasks that we can't get the labour for.
I definitely think 40 to 60% maybe of actual manufacturing jobs can be carried out by these robots.
You can physically move the robot to the position you want, press one button and it'll automatically save that position. There's a new system called the FlexiBowl that's out in the marketplace now. That allows the robot to use an XYZ coordinate position given by a vision system to locate the part on the surface of the FlexiBowl and then pick and place it to the next item.
We've got a number of customers that we've worked with where they've really seen quite significant productivity gains from implementing automation technology. One particular customer that springs to mind had no automation within their plant, and they now have 7 or 8 robots working alongside their human counterparts. By doing that, they've had a huge increase in productivity, and they've managed to go and secure work because they're more competitive, but also they can meet the output requirements that the larger customers are requiring from them.
I mean, if you had a step counter on your watch, you know how far you're travelling a day. So cut that down, let the robot do that part, and you can do the part that earns your business money.